Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to unbox this AgfaPhoto Reusable film camera. There we go. Just open up one side of it, pull it out, and it's inside this nice case here. Has a little instruction manual with it as well. Not really a whole lot of mystery to this camera, I'm not going to lie. Okay, so here's the camera. Already has the strap around it, and you can see that it's a focus-free F9 31mm lens. Shutter button, film rewind, film advance up here, battery chamber, film release, flash indicator. This is going to be the flash on and off button. Oh, and you might be able to see the aperture changes with the flash, so yeah, there's glare on the lens. I can't tell you right now whether it gets bigger or smaller. Looks like it gets larger with the flash on. And come on. Okay, the back did not want to open. You've just really got to push that button down, but here's the inside of the camera in the film chamber. And yeah, so keep an eye out for the video manuals going over exactly how to use this camera.